But in order to create a new block, there needs to be a cost to it. That cost is none other than the electricity needed by computers to solve a mathematical problem. The first one to do gets to add a new block to the chain. This new block generates new bitcoins, which the miner that solved the problem gains as a reward for their efforts, along with all the transaction fees. That is proof of work, also known as mining, referencing the effort needed to mine precious metals. This proof of work also secures the network because in order for an attacker to take control of the network and change previous transactions, they would need to control the majority of the computing power of the network, the infamous 51% attack. Even if 2 or 3 mining pools joined forces and acquired the necessary 51%, it would still not make financial sense to attack the network, as they would completely undermine their own wealth by destroying the credibility of Bitcoin.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so just click any of these to keep watching.